Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video in front of you, here you can see here's the sound bar. Actually, this is the MIVI Fort S80 sound bar. Actually, there is a different kinds of variants where there, guys, in the sound bar of MIVI, like 60, 80, 100. There's a different kinds of variant were there. And this 80 watt soundbar, guys. Actually, I purchased this rupees at the cost of rupees 2800 in Flipkart. See, and here you can see there is a 2.2 channel surround sound is there, and Bluetooth 5.1, and this 80 watt sound, and fully featured remote is there for this soundbar, and Bluetooth, aux, and USB it will support, and driver size is 58 mm2. Okay, it's good. And okay guys, it comes with a 1 year warranty. We need to register for warranty actually. And okay guys, let's come on. It's now time to remove this cello tapes and all. Let's come on. Actually, it's very hard. Yeah. Okay guys, here you can see here's the length. Actually, it's good. It's a very big size actually. Okay guys, let's come on. Now it's time to remove this box actually. And here you can see, let's see what all they have given inside this box. And first thing, there is a manual. It seems a user manual. Okay, let's keep this side and scan this. For 1 year warranty, we need to scan this for warranty registration. 1 year warranty registration. Okay, we'll do that later. And here's the remote, guys. You can see maybe remote like mode, power button, volume up and down, just different kinds of things are there. This remote. Okay, there's a different kinds of modes were there: aux, Bluetooth, USB, and all. You can switch through this remote itself. And okay, just open this box and let's come on guys, it's now time to take this out. Just take this out. Yeah, come on. And before that, here you can see guys, here's the one box they have given inside this. And okay, here's the cable which we need to connect this in soundbar, and here's the power adapter they have provided. You can see. Okay guys, let's come on, just keep this all aside. And it's now time to open this cover. Yeah, you can see it is in upside down. Okay, you can see here's the MIVI soundbar, guys. It's good. Just like this. Just remove this cover. Yeah, it's good. Here you can see this, and here you can see like buttons. Actually, here you can see there is buttons input. I think this is a volume button. It seems plus, minus, and all. Okay, and finishing is also good, guys. Actually, here you can see it's kind of a metallic finish, and here's the branding. Oh, and in the other side, there's nothing, guys. In this side, there's a button is there. It's good. You can see, guys. And in bottom, there's nothing. Just a stand is there, which we can place this soundbar in table and all. And here you can see here's the ports were there. There's a power port. It seems a aux and a coaxial USB, and plus it will support Bluetooth also, guys. And here's the holder for wall mounting purpose. We can do wall mounting also. You can see they're given this and all. It's good. Okay, this is the MIVI soundbar, guys. 80 watt soundbar actually. And here's the button for this. It's good. Okay, and okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is just an unboxing video only, guys. If you need any video regarding this additionally means, just I will create that video. Just ask in the below comment section if you need any video regarding this means, just I will create the video about this MIVI features and all, guys. Okay, and okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubt, means just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's say we'll see you in next video.